Hi, I wanted to go over this week's lesson. So, lesson 11, Women in Comics. Um, in class, we're going to be working in two groups. I'll work with one group while the other one does something independently. So, group one will work independently to complete a Nearpod presentation on Liz Montague. I will give you the Nearpod code in class and then post it in here as well. Group two will be working with me, and we're going to be discussing art at home. So to go to the Nearpod, you are going to click on, you're going to go to nearpod.com, and then you're going to enter the code that I give you right here as students. So you don't need to sign in or anything. You're just going to enter the code. And then that will bring you to my presentation where you will answer questions. You don't need to post any of your questions after this. You just need to participate and answer the questions. This does count towards your participation grade for my class. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to read Art at Home, which is an article about three different comic artists. So the first one is Jackie Orms and learning about Torchy Brown. The second artist is Liz Montague and learning about her as an artist and who influenced her. And then the third one is Natasha Bustos. Now you'll see that there are reflection questions in here. So these reflection questions are meant for you to just stop, take a moment, and reflect. Think about what you read, so that you'll be able to kind of have conversations in the future about this. At the very bottom, you'll notice that there's homework. So homework is a comic strip that can be done in a black and white drawing, a colored drawing, or digital, whatever you choose. So these comic artists are choosing to create work that inspires, questions, and challenges our thinking and hopes to make it a better world. Create a comic strip that inspires, questions, or challenges social justice issues. I have 6 here. If you want to do something different than these 6, that is totally fine. It does need to be a social justice issue. If you are curious and want to learn more, I have some videos down here. This will be posted in the Google assignment, going to add and create, pulling up your file, and then clicking submit from there. You can do a comic strip with panels. If you want to do a full page, up to you. If you want to just do a one-page large sheet like Liz does, then you could do that. I just want you to be thoughtful about the information that you're putting in there, and making sure that it hits what you want it to hit, meaning it does challenge, it does inspire, or it questions. So thinking about those elements as you're creating, if you do have questions, I do advise that you see me during our office hours. I have it on Monday and Friday at the same time. I believe it's 1:15 till about 1:55. On Wednesday, I have it at 12:35 till about 1:20. So you can see me opportunities throughout the week. You can always send me an email if you have questions as well. I would prefer that it wasn't through the assignment, because I don't always look at these and I don't get these immediately. If you actually send me an email through your email, I will try to get to that. But again, live sessions are a great way, as well as coming to those office hours to connect. I did put this video in here if you're interested about Jackie Orms, just as another resource. If you have any questions, let me know.